Flotation devices come in different shapes and styles, from a donut shape around the neck, wings around the arms, which can fall off while in the water, and a puddle jumper that hugs the torso and arms. The purpose of these devices is to keep a child vertical with their head above the water. The most common type of flotation device worn by young children for recreation is the puddle jumper. Parents love them because the child's head is above the water and the kiddo can talk, splash, laugh, etc. Truth is, puddle jumper is dangerous for children because it promotes a vertical position in the water. Children often learn physical skills from reinforcements upon their behavior. In this case, the child is getting a comfortable reinforcing breath of air while physically positioned to be vertical. Most children drown in the vertical position. Flotation devices can be fun for kids in the water, but if a child were to fall in the water unaccompanied, the past usage of this flotation device will have taught this child the muscle memory to immediately position themselves in the drowning position. Frankly said, flotation devices teach a child how to drown faster. The only time I recommend any flotation device is if the child will be going to the lake, beach, ocean, or the river. In these unpredictable bodies of water, I always recommend a life vest, never a different style of flotation device.